Okay, this is May 18th. It's a Friday. We got the kids out of school. We're playing hooky. It's Morgan on my ATV. We have Tyler on his Honda. He went with us today for the first time, and we have Travis Evelo on his brand new, maybe 2 weeks old bike. So we're in Monroe, Wisconsin. The trail starts right here in Monroe, Wisconsin, and it goes about 80 miles. We're not going to do 80 miles because we don't have enough time today, but we're going to see how this experiment works. Tyler, is this fun that you're out today, out of school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Travis, do you think it's fun that you're out of school?
Yeah.
Who do you like better, me or God?
Both.
Both. Okay. Morgan, how about you?
God.
God. Oh, you like God better. Well, screw you. Okay. Here we go. We're gonna go, and we'll see how the day goes. We have Subway. We have a ton of food in here that we'll see later. Chips, grapes, cookies, ding dongs, wingdings, we got it all. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the start of our trip. Tyler is obviously better at riding because he's been doing it 2 years, so that's cool. Travis is still learning. All right, Tyler just about wiped out. There's Morgan. We have to get video of Morgan, yep. She's on the trail with me on the ATV, yep. We're 4.5 miles into the trip. The bad news is the road is not, it's got a lot of deep, loose gravel, like sand almost. And, oh shit. Most of the time it's very difficult for Travis to go, and he's complaining quite a bit. Okay, break time here. We're about 5 miles into it, and I wanted to eat. So, since Travis, you're new at this, go ahead and give me the rundown. We're on video for YouTube. What do you think so far? Is it what do you think so far?
I like it. Yeah,
okay,
I like
good.
it too.
I didn't know the trail had so many rocks on it, so it makes the bikes kind of go squirrely, but that's how you learn more. You'll get better balance in your body. So even though it's not completely fun like a blacktop road, it kind of makes it like you're ice skating or something, which I like that part of it. Morgan, you're on the back of the ATV. What was your experience so far?
That one. This one? Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
No experience?
No.
You have nothing to say? Bridge coming up. We're at the 5.8 mile mark. Just had lunch. Bridge number 45. Here we are on our way back. That's a nice deadly drop off. Look at that scenery. It's a big cliff. Wow. The boys are doing good. Travis is in the lead. We're still pretty tentative about this trail, so they're just playing it safe. And then there's Morgan. Yes. And then there's me. Travis is wearing the red. If we're lucky, we'll get somebody wrecking here. See, they slowed down to about 7 miles an hour, 6. Oh yeah, see how it's squirrely? Travis's back tire there, how it's going left and right. This is the scary part, Morgan. Okay. getting some writing in here. We came back to the car. Shit. Nice. Good job. On video. Do you think you're gonna get hit by a train? I'll tell you what, if you get hit by a train, you won't feel a thing because it'll just squish you like a bug. You won't even know it. How about that? Is that a good answer?
You go up there.
Do you think your parents will like that answer?
You go up
No, okay. We're just gonna play on trains here for a minute while we have some time. While Morgan thinks it's unsafe, so she's keeping her distance. Girl logic.
No, you said climb on
There's
it.
the masculine minivan.
You said climb on it.
I know. That's it, climb on it. Don't worry about the law. Or violent death from the wheels roll you over. Okay. No, okay, that's high enough. That's high enough. Don't go any higher. I'm already gonna get in trouble the way it is, so that's enough. Cool. You know what? The boys had such a rough day on their motorcycle that $1 they get a massage chair. Because you wrecked 4 times, it's probably good that you get a body massage, right? Yeah. I think that's right.
What is it doing? What is it doing?
It's beating the crap out of Travis.
Oh gosh.
Let me hear you talk
What
when
are
you
you
do that. Make that sound,
doing?
Travis. Travis, do that sound. Do it. For the camera. Go, You're not doing it. Okay.